Childhood trauma doesn't always look like brokenness. Often, it looks like strength. It looks like the most functional, responsible person you know. But psychology shows us that underneath that strength are rare traits quietly forged by the simple, powerful need to survive. First, people who endured a lot in childhood often sense emotional shifts instantly. They can walk into a room and read the energy faster than anyone else. This isn't just intuition, it's a finely tuned survival skill called hypervigilance. When a child grows up in an unpredictable or unsafe environment, the brain learns to constantly scan for emotional danger. As an adult, that scanner never fully turns off. They notice the slightest change in your tone, the flicker of an expression. What most people miss feels like a neon sign to them. It's not anxiety, it's a radar that once kept them safe. Second, they feel responsible for other people's feelings. A trauma survivor often carries a deep internal need to keep everyone around them calm, stable, and happy. This is linked to what psychologists call emotional role reversal. As a child, they may have learned that managing a parent's or caregiver's emotions was the key to their own safety. So now, as adults, this translates into intense people-pleasing or feeling a profound sense of guilt when someone else is upset. They don't just care about your feelings, they feel accountable for them. The third trait is a constant struggle to relax without feeling unsafe. For someone whose childhood was defined by chaos, peace can feel wrong, unfamiliar. Psychology explains that when the nervous system learns to be on high alert constantly, it doesn't know how to power down, even in peaceful moments. Silence can feel deafening. Stability feels temporary, like the other shoe is about to drop. So they stay busy, they create noise, they guard their hearts, not because they love stress, but because their body was taught that stress is what survival feels like. Fourth, they become fiercely, sometimes defensively independent. Early trauma teaches a brutal lesson. The only person you can truly rely on is yourself. This is known as defensive self-reliance. When support was inconsistent or completely absent, the brain adapted by minimizing the need for it. As an adult, this means they rarely ask for help. They tackle every crisis alone and feel deep discomfort depending on others. This independence looks like incredible strength, but it wasn't a choice, it was a necessity. And fifth, they feel deep empathy but hide their own pain. Having experienced profound suffering, they understand it in others on an intuitive level. They can listen without judgment, offer comfort, and sense the pain someone is trying to hide. But they almost never show their own. They learned early on that their feelings were a burden, an inconvenience, or even dangerous. So they became masters of carrying their struggles in silence, offering a strength to the world that they rarely allow themselves to receive. Psychology is clear on this. Trauma doesn't just create wounds, it forges rare emotional intelligence and a deep well of resilience. But it's crucial to remember that these survival traits are not your personality. The armor that once protected you might now be keeping you from true connection and rest. You don't have to be strong forever. You also deserve safety, softness, and peace. If any of these traits felt personal or you want to unlearn one, comment below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.